Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to customize and print your flashcard sets. So let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, you can find your flashcard sets by clicking everything at the top and clicking flashcard sets on the left-hand side. From here, choose the flashcard set you'd like to print. Before printing, you can edit and reorder the flashcards. You can edit the text of the flashcard by clicking Edit and typing in the different text in the box underneath the image. For example, if you'd like to add the translation for the image, you can use the text box to do so. Here, you can also delete a flashcard from the flashcard set. Once you have finished making edits, click the blue Done Editing button. You can also rearrange the order the flashcards appear in and will print in. Click the Reorder button, and then click and drag where you'd like the flashcards to be. Once you are happy with that order, click the blue Done Reordering button. Once the flashcard set is to your liking, click the Print button at the top. Here you can choose how you would like your flashcards to print. You can choose the flashcard style, includes the image only, or if you'd like the image and text back to back, or just the text. You could also change the font if you'd like the flashcard set to print in color or in black and white, and how many images you would like per page. Once you have made your settings, click the blue button at the bottom that says Print Flashcards. Your flashcards will then open in another tab in your browser. Click the print icon in the top right corner to continue printing. If the flashcard set does not open in another tab, please try disabling your pop-up blockers. If you need further assistance, please let us know. That's it for this video on how to customize and print your flashcard sets. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.